Let us begin by challenging our conventional wisdom. There are no constraints on the human mind, no walls around the human spirit, no barriers to our progress except those we ourselves erect. We have begun well, but it's only a beginning.
As individuals, we work hard and we progress. Each one of us on our own perfects our craft. When we come together, amazing things take form. We dream, we aspire, we succeed. Our Air Force never sleeps, neither does our mission. We endure, we persevere. Every day we continue to strengthen our team into a seamless unit, operating with speed and agility, with expansive power and capability. We span the globe, and our reach is our advantage. We operate as one team, and we attack as cross-functional innovators with diversity and expertise. That is our imperative.
Our motto is providing the warfighter's edge. In medieval times, the task of providing the warfighter's edge fell to the military blacksmith. The blacksmiths forged raw materials into formidable arms, shields, and weapons, and supplied tools and equipment to build and maintain towns and villages. The blacksmiths were in fact one of the biggest contributors to the development of the craft and science of weaponry and ensuring battlefield dominance. I see absolute parallels between those craftsmen of yesterday and today's AFLCMC.
Across the globe, Program Executive Office, or PEO, directorates of the Lifecycle Management Center are the craftsmen and women of today, providing the warfighter's edge. Sharing Wright-Patterson Air Force Base with LCMC headquarters, the ISR and SOF, mobility, tanker, agile combat support, and fighters and bombers, PEO directorates, develop and modernize our nation's major weapon systems and intelligence operations.
Our goal is to be the warfighter's choice for affordable, war-winning fighter and bomber capability.
Headquartered at Hanscom, Battle Management and Command and Control Directorates develop, acquire, and sustain crucial aerospace management, operations, cyberspace, cryptologic, and space nuclear network capabilities for the Air Force, DoD, and across the globe.
We see our efforts as necessary enablers for U.S. and coalition partners to provide needed effects across the spectrum of peace and conflict.
At Eglin, the Armament Directorate develops, modernizes, and sustains air-delivered weapons and associated carriages and subsystems for the Air Force and other military services and coalition partners.
We will continue to provide the warfighter's edge by equipping the U.S. military and our allies with affordable, world-dominant capabilities, on time and on target.
At Gunter, the Business and Enterprise Systems Directorate enables enterprise information technology capabilities while leading modernization efforts to our Air Force IT infrastructure to the warfighter across the combat and mission support spectrum.
Here in Business and Enterprise Systems, we're a dedicated force of 2,300 men and women who are providing the warfighter's edge daily by meeting our airmen's needs for people, process, and products. Over 130 different systems we're developing, sustaining, and operating that provide our airmen their needs for maintenance, personnel, civil engineering, logistics, you name it, we do it, and we're proud of it.
At Kirtland, the Strategic Systems Directorate leads the execution of modernization programs which provide safe, secure,
ignition,
and effective nuclear weapons capabilities to America's deterrent forces.
Our material command acquisition professionals and partners in the national laboratories and defense industry rise to the challenge of delivering systems that must always perform when ordered by the President and must never function in the absence of that order.
The Functional and Execution Support Directorates and Air Base units execute the LCMC mission in parallel to the PEO directorates.
As a member of the Air Force Lifecycle Management Center team, the 88th is committed in our support of acquiring and supporting war-winning capabilities. Operating, maintaining, and defending our home base is a critical enabler to aircraft and weapons systems acquisition and sustainment. The mighty 88th continues to inspire teamwork and trust in each other and in our mission partners by developing new initiatives and programs to meet the objectives set by our Air Force leadership.
We're responsible for technical management of practically every aircraft and weapon system in the United States Air Force inventory. Our engineers, scientists, and technicians represent a diverse workforce.
Our vision is to create an organization of professionals dedicated to unsurpassed, timely, accurate support to our workforce, program officers, and senior leaders, to be viewed as the DoD standard of excellence in lifecycle logistics and product support.
Our program management and test management divisions, as well as our operating locations, focus on LCMC's most important resource, our people. We develop our people through reoccurring training at the new hire, journeyman, and senior leader levels. We ensure they are knowledgeable of the latest changes in acquisition and skilled with the tools that help execute their programs more efficiently.
Our Directorate XP supports our production line in two major ways: by ensuring resources are in place and by implementing standardized processes.
FMFC ensures that all sectors of the AFLCMC factory have an organized, trained, and equipped financial workforce. Strong financial management is critical to ensuring AFLCMC can successfully perform its mission to acquire and support war-winning capabilities.
At the 66, we are fully committed to enabling our fellow Lifecycle Management Center personnel to acquire and support war-winning capabilities. We do this by providing a safe, secure, and quality work environment, complete with full-spectrum physical security and the most advanced telecommunications and networking capability possible.
We're directly responsible for programs supporting our battlefield airmen, our tactical air control parties, combat rescue controllers, and combat rescue officers. Whether they're supporting eyes in the sky or boots on the ground, the men and women of ISR and SOF are laser focused on one thing: our warfighters.
Right now, all around the world, soldiers, sailors, airmen, and Marines, U.S. citizens, our allies, even victims of natural disasters, they all count on U.S. air power. In turn, U.S. air power counts on tankers and the vital aerial refueling that they provide. And tankers, well, they count on us. Our mission in the Tanker Directorate: safe, suitable, effective, combat-ready aerial refueling for our warfighters.
In today's increasingly complex global environment, our ability to seamlessly operate with other nations' air forces is more critical than ever. The AFSAC mission is advancing our national security by building those global partnerships. Our current portfolio includes 2,800 foreign military sales cases with 101 international partners valued at over $144 billion.
In the Mobility Directorate, we acquire, modify, and sustain all of the U.S. Air Force's mobility and training aircraft. We provide lifecycle management for over 2,000 aircraft, which represent over 40% of the Air Force inventory. When combined with our foreign military sales work, we execute over $28 billion in active year funds.
Our mission is to establish the foundation to acquire and support war-winning capabilities. We are your development planners, one integrated team from Hanscom to Wright-Patterson to Eglin, providing programmatic and early systems engineering expertise to the warfighter. In a nutshell, our job is to launch high-confidence, sustainable, and affordable programs. That is what we do.
At the heart of it all is our people. We're entrusted by the Center to develop and maintain a properly trained and skilled workforce.
From the time an airman enters basic training and puts on the uniform for the first time, to assisting the search for a fallen comrade, to sustaining, retiring, or disposing of weapon systems or support items, we literally touch every airman, every aircraft, every day.
In short, we take care of our people from the day they're hired until they retire. We're committed to building on our long, proud history of technical excellence, providing the warfighter's edge.
We strive to achieve the best possible support for our customers. By focusing on the people, products, and processes to achieve LCMC's mission, we are finding opportunities to assure LCMC is delivering on its commitments.
The men and women of the Lifecycle Management Center are one team today, yet we continue to push forward to strengthen into a seamless unit, operating with speed and agility. Our guiding principles lead that drive, helping us forge one team, delivering integrated, innovative, dominant air power capabilities on time, on cost. The guiding principles are the cornerstone upon which we build our AFLCMC culture.
We strive to develop and place the right person at the right time in LCMC.
Highly skilled people, world-class program support, and efficiently standardized program management processes ensures LCMC delivers on our commitments.
XE is also collaborating on many other initiatives across the Air Force and DoD to break down stovepipes and further the concept of systems analysis, ensuring that everything we procure will have the cost-effective impact on the battlefield. Trust and confidence.
XPT's priority is to continue the center's tenet of speed with discipline by keeping up the momentum in developing and fielding standardized processes.
As we work each day to complete our mission and realize our vision, we apply these principles which transcend all levels of leadership and all individual efforts. When combined with our Air Force core values of integrity first, service before self, and excellence in all we do, these principles guide how we frame issues, make decisions, and fulfill our strategic objectives.
At the 66, we don't manage the systems that LCMC provides our warfighters, but we share that unity of purpose and pride in helping make sure our acquisition professionals can in fact deliver those capabilities on time and on cost.
The men and women of the mighty 88th are all in our quest to provide the best support possible to every organization on right path. The LCMC tenets will continue to guide us in our daily efforts to care for our people, seek innovative solutions to problems, and continue to deliver our product, enabling the warfighter's edge.
So let's roll up our sleeves and get to work.
Here we are at the start of something great, but we're not there yet. Our center is strong, full of great minds and motivated leaders. Born from a proud heritage and driven through adversity, we pick up, we move forward, we believe in our fight. The men and women of our center form the foundation of our team. They are our greatest advantage. These are the faces of our center. These are the people bringing our mission to life.